Morning, Dave.
Hey, how's it going? It's a great day, but we're off to go and look at a 1946 Ford truck.
Ford nogal.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, you know what? My wife is on my side.
Is she?
Yeah. She saw the ad.
Okay.
She told me about it. That's the amazing thing. So yeah, we're off to go and check this out. Coming up. All the glass is
What year is this truck?
As far as the papers go, it's 1947.
Okay. Have you got papers?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Got supposedly the original.
What does it say there? 1947.
Yeah.
1947.
Read me some more stuff I can't see from here.
Make Chev, weight 6120. Suppose that's in pounds.
Must be pounds.
HP.
Machine
Horsepower is
145546. It's the engine. What else? So CCT is apparently Willamore, or was apparently Willamore. Yeah, and what was this? In 20 rand.
20 rand.
It doesn't say
Wow.
amount paid, receipt of which is hereby acknowledged. For what though, I don't know. Date of expiry. 16 of the 9th, 1965.
Yeah.
And what's this grill on the back there?
That just came with it, so it's like an extra grill, but it's not really usable.
Very gedaan. But this, you see on the chassis here?
Yes, the plate. Yeah, strengthening
This
plate. Definitely for strength.
I think that's a factory story though.
Yes,
I don't think it's an add-on.
it does look like factory.
Look, it's riveted.
Same rivets as the body.
Same rivets as the body.
Yes, agreed.
So they must have done it.
Yeah.
I mean, look at
Back in the day.
solid steel.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's going to last another 100 years.
It's just a solid axle.
Yeah, it will be solid actually.
And notice, how many Fiera leaf springs it actually has. And even the back, I mean, this thing should be able to take a serious load.
Yeah, no, this will take a huge load.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. What do I know about these things? But this is not a half-ton or a one-ton truck. This is probably 3-ton. See the shock absorbers?
No.
Friction shock.
Hey?
Friction shock.
Where?
Yeah, that little thing going up.
Like a stabilizer. Oh, right, yeah.
I think it's friction shocks. Could be wrong. I think actually in the 40s that might be hydraulic business up there. I can't see that. Because it's not friction. I'm not sure exactly how it works.
No, it's a mechanical shock,
Yeah,
I would say.
I think it's oil filled or something.
Oh.
Like these are also still intact, and it's the original engine, but it's.
Does it turn?
I tried to turn it, but it's not.
Fast, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
This is a Chevy, Div.
It is a Chevy.
Yeah.
I thought it was a Ford, but it's a
And
Chevy.
looking at the fan belt, looks like fire damage, if you ask me.
Yeah.
And
It could have
the wires is
melted.
also a bit burnt there.
To do this body justice, you're either going to have to take this engine out and take it and get it totally redone.
Look, if you want to restore this thing, it's going to cost you freaking fortune.
Yeah.
Restoring anything these days
Yeah.
is really is.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's still got a distributor cap
Yes.
and a coil.
Yeah.
You try turning it, but it's fast.
I tried it.
Did you try it?
It's got muck on the end
I
there.
got my command.
Yeah, I couldn't say because half the dipsticks actually rusted away. Not bad. Not bad. Only unfortunate is that thing is now going to have a bit of panel beating. The engine clock.
Did you fuck it up?
No. But I think we can fix it.
Eh?
I do believe we can fix it. That's fixable.
So yeah, that's what it looks like if I sit behind the steering wheel. I think I got problem.
Loud and clear, man.
So the problem is when I get in here and I sit behind the steering wheel and I get the view,
Yeah.
then I'm in my mooring. Nobody understands what that means. But then the trouble is,
Yeah, then it's a done deal.
yeah, then it becomes a done deal.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's got a lot of potential, Div. Definitely. Yeah.
you got a deal. Take a picture of us. You got a deal.
I'm happy, but I'm also sad at the same time.
But you can come and have a look at it.
Yeah, no.
Later on in
I think
time.
you'll enjoy visiting.
Yeah, no, we'll.
Cool.
We'll see.
So we're stopping for some lunch in a place called
Wilderness.
Wilderness. Cheers.
Cheers.
So I'm just waiting for the tow truck guy. I've decided to use a rollback to go and fetch the truck. I mean, it's a bit big to fit on a trailer. He's given me a good price, but now he's late. And now I have to sit here and watch the traffic. I hate that. Right, so the tow truck, rollback truck is in front of me. We're on our way, and it started raining as well. So I think we're going to be in for some fun today. I'm wondering if that Chevy will fit on this truck. We'll have to wait and see, I guess. Tight fit. And this truck is and the truck is struggling to get in with all the wet. And there she goes. Oh, Devin, the rollback man is not scared of the wet, that's for sure. Following a very wet Chevy back home. I can't stop looking at this thing, even though it's just a view up the ass. And so the 46 Chevy is safely home with Daddy out here in the forest. I love it. Hey, Oaks, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.